For anybody out there who's a fan already of Roku or people who are looking to maybe adopt the platform, keep it locked on this video because we're going to learn all about the new features that are coming with OS 9.3. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's QuazyDog here, and like I mentioned before, today we're going to be learning about all of the new features coming with the Roku OS Update 9.3. Now, first we'll talk about functionality, because Roku has promised with the 9.3 update we will see a more responsive OS kind of in its entirety. This is going to be faster boot times, easier navigation, a more redesigned and more functional OS layout, both for the software itself embedded on your streaming platform, as well as a redesigned and more responsive application for your smart device. Now, speaking of navigation, this leads us into the second thing, which is finally voice assistance. A lot of people who have adopted the Roku OS platform have been asking for this for a very long time now, and 9.3 will finally bring that feature to light. So first, we're going to talk about the actual Roku Assistant. This is primarily going to be utilized and found in Roku TV OS applications or hardware that already have the microphone built into the remote, or on something like the Roku Streaming Stick Plus that again has the microphone pre-embedded. Now, aside from the actual Roku Voice Assistant client, we are finally seeing full support with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant as well. So the same rules apply to those as well, but for those of you who might not have a pre-embedded microphone into either your streaming stick, your third-party streaming device, or your Roku TV OS client, you will be able to speak directly to Amazon Alexa or Google Home to be able to, again, search for movies, change settings, turn closed captioning on and off, change your volume, and completely turn your hardware on and off. And for somebody like myself that has a Google Home in almost every room and tends to lose the remote constantly, this is a big win and something that I've been looking forward to for a very long time. Now, along the lines of the remote application as well, the actual Roku app for your smart device, that is getting an overhaul and a redesign as well. Because it's not public just yet, I haven't got my hands on it, but Roku does promise that navigation through the application will be a lot more seamless and a lot easier to use. Beforehand, switching from streaming device to streaming device, or even exiting out into the background and going into other useful applications in my phone itself was a little tiresome, and I found that you had to exit the actual remote app completely to do anything else. This update through the Roku OS 9.3 does say that they will fix those functionalities as well, giving you more navigation options and easier utilization of multiple streaming platforms on your smart device, as well as the ability to multitask a little bit easier with other applications while allowing the remote app itself to go in the background without needing to be closed entirely. Now again, you can expect the Roku OS 9.3 update sometime either mid to early April, and once that comes out, maybe we'll take a look in more detail at the OS, both the redesigned streaming platform and the actual OS or the application on the smartphone. But until then, I'm going to ask you guys, what are you excited about with the 9.3 update? Is it the voice assistant that has you interested? Is it a faster platform, maybe the ability to lose the remote or just rely on the remote a lot less? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section below. Now that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Again, just a very quick overview and an embargo lift on the OS 9.3 update. If you guys want to stay tuned for future updates, either for Roku or really anything else on the channel, be sure to subscribe and as well hit that bell notification icon right beside it. It will keep you guys up to date and informed on anything that I produce and bring to the channel in the future. Until the next video, my name is QuazyDog. You guys have been awesome, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Take care.